What's up, everybody? Today I'm back with another iPhone 17 Pro Max accessory video. My good friends over at MagBak gave us a couple versions of their MagBak Elite Case Gen 2. And we're going to take a look at their beige and black models of the Elite Case, as well as some accent packs that we can take a look at if you like customizing your products. MagBak also have the option to do that as well. So we'll take a look at the black one here. On the back, we've got some instructions, nice packaging, plastic, feels good, feels premium, and there's actually a lot in this box. So we'll go ahead and take off this top tab here that's kind of keeping everything closed up. And we'll set this one to the side. We'll set the beige one to the side. Open this up. All right. And what you're going to get inside is you're going to get your screen protector. All right, little safety thing here so it doesn't get scratched up and jostled around when it's traveling to you. But you're going to get your screen protector. You're going to get your beautiful MagBak Elite case. This one's in black. You're going to get some instructions and then your screen protector accessories. Right, so you'll have that, and then depending on which version, I got the full package here with MagBak. I'm also going to get this little mag stick, so you can put this anywhere in your office, on your car. This is going to allow the Elite case to pretty much be added to any other surface that's not magnetic. So you've got these jumbo magnets on the back, but there's some places where you want to put this that aren't magnetic. The mag stick's going to allow you to get that same super strong magnetic strength anywhere you want. Your refrigerator, your car, your oven, your washing machine, wherever you can stick this thing, you can, and the MagBak case will follow suit. So that's all that's in the box. Quite a bit that comes in here. I really appreciate companies that give you screen protectors and some additional stuff in the box. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the beige one. Same thing here. Take off this front tab. Keeps everything locked in. Same instructions on the back. Let you know what you can do once you're inside. It's going to have similar thing on the inside, but we'll take a look. We've got our screen protector here. Safety. That beautiful beige colorway, which I think is going to look awesome on the cosmic orange. Put that right here. Got your instructions. You got your mag stick. And I like, if you haven't noticed, the boxes are color coordinated. So beige box for the beige, black for the black. Probably one of my favorite boxes, cool boxes. I don't save all of my boxes, but the MagBak ones are pretty dope. So I wouldn't blame you if you want to save these. They're also textured here as well. Feels really good. Now we'll do our first look without the iPhone. All right, so we've got the black here. Now we're going to kind of go over all the features. You're going to have your camera lip right here. This is detachable so that you can color customize with the accent packs. You've got your finger loop here, which is going to give you the ability to kind of have what pop sockets can do, some extra grip and ergonomics while you're holding your phone. You've got these extra magnets on the side. They're going to give you some really, really supreme grip on metal surfaces. Profile mag stick. All right, it's not going to be bulky. The mag stick's not bulky. The case isn't bulky. Versatile. You can stick this thing smooth all the way around. Power button. We've got our ports at the bottom, nice and flush. We flip it on the inside. We've got our kickstand for viewing content, vertical and horizontal. We'll demonstrate that a little bit when we take a look with the phone in the case. You're going to have your pinky pillow at the bottom. So all those hours of scrolling, sending emails, text messages, you can rest your pinky right here. Nice silicone cushion right there so your finger doesn't get tired. But also it acts as a port cover for your charger. Make sure nothing gets inside, keeps water, dust, lint, all that stuff outside of your port. We've got our cutouts. We've got our lanyard loops on the bottom. We've got our camera control button there. I'm loving that cases are starting to come with the cover, more precise cutout here. Not a big fan of the open space there, so I like that MagBak also has that kind of lens cover for the camera control. Got your power, got your volume up and down. action button. And then we've got this silicone grip. This is also interchangeable for the case as well. You can color coordinate it. This is going to give you some grips on the sides when you're holding your phone. Got them on the other side here. Here's our top. And then we'll take a look on the inside as well. So you can see here, this is kind of fur to protect your device. Now, again, especially with all the stuff and the concerns going on with Scratchgate. All right, I love when cases have this soft material on the inside to protect your phone when you're taking it in and out. Take a look at the sides. Now, we don't have the fur on the sides. We've got the material of the case here. Not too rough. You shouldn't have to worry about it scratching your phone, taking in and out of the case, but all the way around. All right, you're going to have your bumpers on your corners. See it this way. Bumpers. All right, and then you've got the lanyard cutouts at the bottom, but designed to really give you some drop protection. And it feels good in the hand. So there's the black. We'll quickly go through on the beige here. First look without the phone. Finger loop. Extra magnets. Your stand. All right, your finger pillow. Little pinky pillow cushion. Cutouts, lanyard loops, buttons on the side, buttons on this side. You've got your grips again, all color coordinated. You can take these out with the different accent packs and colors. I believe I have green and red. I might demo what one of the colors looks like on the case here to give you an idea of kind of how it looks to customize. But that is the beige. Beige and black. They've got tons of colors on their website. Appreciate these being sent over. I think these are going to look really good on the Cosmic Orange. And why wait? Let's put it on and take a look. So we'll start with black. Go ahead and pop in here. And here you go. Quick little look at MagBak Elite in Cosmic Orange. That looks really nice. All right, we've got our finger loop. Your phone is on there while you're using it. Love the ergonomics for that. Pinky pillow at the bottom covers our ports. Grips on the side. You're going to get all of our camera control here with this button. Works really good, feels really good. And then for you tactile freaks, let's test out the buttons here. Pretty tactile buttons. Tactility is your thing. MagBak Elite Case is going to be able to give you that tactility as well. Demonstrate the stand for you. Maybe you're at your desk. A little vertical. Want to watch some shows, check some emails. Also got the ability to do landscape as well. A lot of functionality with these cases. That is the black. I'm going to put it in the beige. I'm liking how this one accents. It's really giving me that orange and cream, kind of peaches and cream look. This is one of my favorite colors on this case. And so especially if you got the Cosmic Orange, which is the more brighter, bold color for the Pro model this year, you might like going with some of these lighter options to really let the color of the phone pop out. I'm really liking that. So quickly go through. We've got our finger loop, magnets, our stand. Just give you a look at what that looks like. Our pinky pillow at the bottom. My poor pinky. Pinky pillow at the bottom for some cushion. Got a grips camera control on the side. Got our grips here. Lanyard cutouts. Here's a look at it with the accent pack. Have the red there, so you got a new camera lip, new finger loop, new grips and buttons. Looks pretty sick. Now we'll do a quick promo for some other products that MagBak has. They also have MagSafe wallets. Now this wallet has the ability to put cash and card in here. It also has an additional finger loop, so you don't miss out on the ability to have those ergonomics even when you're using the wallet on the phone. But paired with the magnets that are here on the case, with the magnets that are in this wallet, you're going to be getting one of the strongest combinations of magnet on there. And this is pretty sweet. So if you're looking for a phone case wallet combo, MagBak also has some wallets on their website, as well as some different colors of the cases. I'll leave all the information in the description below. Make sure to use promo code GVR15 to get 15% off of your purchase. But let me know what you guys think. This is the MagBak Elite Case. Are you a fan? Do you plan on picking one up for your device? Did you even get an iPhone this year? Let me know in the comments section below. There's been a lot of hoopla about the colors, about the different models, who each phone is for. I'm excited to have some of that conversation with you guys in the chat. Let me know down below. But that is it for me. Be blessed. Catch you in the next video. Peace.